Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about my very first Walmart beauty box. Looks like this, Walmart beauty box. Okay, so if you're interested in this or you haven't looked at this before, go to beautybox.walmart.com. I recently signed up, and when I signed up, I'm actually signed up for a seasonal membership. It's 4 boxes a year. The cost is $5 per box. And what they say is that cost is actually paying for the shipping, not for the products inside, because it's actually supposed to be sample size products that are inside the box. I honestly just thought it would be super fun right now to be getting something in the mail every once in a while as a mailbox surprise. So for $5, I didn't think that was too bad. When I signed up, it did ask me to fill out a profile, asking me more about my beauty routine. It asked me, am I classic? Am I more trendy? Do I have skin problems, dry skin, oily skin? Do I need sun protection? It also asked about my skin tone, my eye color, my hair color. So when you go in to do the profile, it will ask you those questions as well, hopefully customizing the box to fit you better. All right, so let's open this sucker up. Cute. Inside the box, it says, here's to self-care and skincare, to inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. Thanks, Walmart. So let's see what we got. First thing, Curel Dry Skin Therapy Lotion, 1 ounce, which is great for traveling. I love getting these little sample sizes because not only does it allow you to try out a product, but it's great to throw in a bag when you take a trip. It's perfect for that. So dry skin therapy. Doesn't really smell like anything. It's light, it's not nice, it's not thick, so it's light lotion. Curel Dry Skin Therapy, 1 ounce. Next thing, slippery hands. Color Club nail polish. Ooh, and it's a good color too. Nail polish. So I haven't had to buy nail polish in a while, but I would assume that $5 probably gets you close to what you would pay for 1 bottle of a good nail polish. So lotion, cute nail polish. Optic White Renewal. So if you like trying your toothpaste before you buy a whole tube of it, again, I just like it because it's great in the suitcase. Perfect travel size. What is this? NYX Professional Makeup Crew. It comes in this cute little box here. Ooh, lip cream. Soft Matte NYX Lip Cream. Looks like there's 2 different colors in there. A metallic and a non-metallic, I guess. Cute. Let me see if I can get in this better. No, not with lotion hands. What if I just pop them out? Like this. There we go. When in doubt, knocked it out. All right. Pretty. These are a good size too. All right, so next, 2 different color lip stuff. And the last one, so these are kind of cheesy, but I still actually will throw these in my overnight bag when I go on a trip. Herbal Essences Bio Renew. It is, gentle color protection. I think in there I said I would sometimes color my hair, so that's nice. Color protection. Herbal Essences Bio Renew. Little samples. Okay. And then card on from NYX talking about the lip cream. Card from Colgate talking about the toothpaste. No coupons though, that would have been fun. It looks like this was the winter box. I actually just got mine not too long ago, but apparently it's still called the winter box. But it says enter to win a $100 gift card, I guess for giving my feedback on the box. And then more information on herbal essences, but still no coupon. And this is the inside of the box. Cute box. So for $5, I think that's pretty fun. I'm digging the mailbox gift. So our little lips, nail polish, lotion, toothpaste, and samples of shampoo and conditioner. And I always will reuse boxes. I don't know if you guys do this, but I've started to use boxes like this to organize stuff either in my bathroom or in my pantry, or if your kid has an art project, boxes always come in handy. So we tend to hold on to these things and use it for something else. So Walmart beauty box, I'd say thumbs up for $5. I'm gonna keep going with the subscription and see what I get next time. It is super easy to cancel your subscription. So when you go to your account, there's a button that says cancel my subscription. You click on that if you're not into it, and then they'll stop charging you every season. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.